Guys, the time has come where you can play games and make money. Now, I waited for this my whole life and here it comes. With these games, you can get money by using NFTs and it's crazy. Games are so much fun and people make them really well. And it's up to us now to relax, enjoy and earn some money in the process. So if you want to join the process, follow along, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and let's get started with all these crypto money games. So in today's strategy, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies on the gaming industry. I've talked about this in many videos before, but today I'm gonna show you more games, more companies that are coming to the market and ways that you could actually benefit from just playing different games. It has never been easier to make money online, and now with the cryptocurrency world and the play to earn games, it's amazing. It's what actually we always wanted and we've always been waiting for, which is play games and get paid. So with that said, I'm gonna show you straight away which are some of these companies. So the first one which I'm gonna show you is called Hold L God. So you can see here you're gonna play to earn, and it's powered by blockchain based on NFTs fueled by Point, and then you're gonna play to earn whole gold because we believe gamers should truly own what they win. So basically, once that you start working and playing for this game, well, it's not really work, it's just playing, it's just fun. So once you're here and once you are playing different games, you're gonna be able to lock up some contracts, you're gonna be able to win some NFTs, and you're gonna be able to customize different futures so you can actually exchange for cryptocurrency. So you can see here whole goals base game mode is the arena mode. In this mode you are spawned on the map with up to 30 other players. Once spawn with your sword in hand, a magical zone starts narrowing, pushing you towards your enemies. Get ready for battle. So when you enter the game, you are gonna be equipped with a set of close combat weapons, swords, axes, maces. So that means like you're gonna be able to fight on the game, and once that you win, you're gonna be rewarded, so it's very interesting. You can just come here. It'll be very simple. You could just click on buy packs, and here when you buy the different packs, you're gonna see that another website will load or will allow you to be able to buy different packs. So actually this website hasn't loaded. Let me see. So once that you click here, then you will see here that you're gonna be able, in order for you to be able to download the different packs, you're gonna need to sign up. But here you can find more information about the NFT creator, the trading, the market. But it's very interesting. You can just check out the white paper, and the white paper is something that I always advise you to do. So this is not financial advice, but by no means I'm just sharing with you information of cryptocurrencies that are new in the market, new blockchain technology that you could possibly have a look at and hopefully benefit from. So you can see here the white paper. The white paper is like the business plan, so you can have a look, and it's very important that before you invest or anything, you do your own research, you read the white paper, and you consult with your financial advisor so you can fully understand what you are investing on, so then you can minimize the risk and hopefully not lose any money. Okay, so a website for you to come check out and start downloading. You can just join the Discord community, just welcome, download the game and start playing and start getting rewarded. So let me show you, because all these companies they're actually listed on the crypto market. So if you put the names here, it will appear. So let me show you another company which you can actually check out. It's called the Mars, and I want to say that all these NFTs you will be able to exchange them on OpenSea. So there were people here holding this collection of whole gold that have been able to make thousands of dollars just by selling the NFTs on the OpenSea. So another company is called the Mars. So the Mars, as you can see here, is the Mars Metaverse project with blockchain, which is very interesting. Preparation for a new future on the Mars, the Metaverse. The Mars is working on Mars themed Metaverse game platform. All of following things can be enjoyed in the Mars Metaverse. You can own real estate, buy and sell goods, and even doing advertisement, performances, and playing games in an urban space called Colony. From athletes, artists, building owners, and influencers, you have dreamed of in a real life masks can make your dreams come true. You can decorate your home and buildings in a variety of colors and host exhibitions and concerts to share the joy with many people. So it's, the metaverse, as I've said before, is actually definitely evolving. As you can see, so many different cryptocurrencies coming into a market, and you can see these are the expectations of the metaverse market evaluation, how it could raise over the next few years. So you can see as well that there are other companies that are involved, and as once that big companies are actually involved, like on the announcement on Facebook a while ago, that actually means that this is serious, and these companies are really investing in this NFT token, right? So you can see here more information about the company experiencing massive open world gaming and blockchain technologies, and you can see here more information about their philosophy as well, their roadmap, very important. You can see how they're actually gonna make their profit and how you can benefit as well. So you can see step 1, sell of paid items, so sell of costumes, in-game purchasable items made by Marstein. So it means like things that you could actually wear on this game, you will be able to sell them. So it's very cool. You can as well allow advertising, and as well you can connect remotely to different performances and learn into different virtual spaces. So you can come here, and if you want more information, come to the bottom. You can see more information about the project. You can click on more view, and yeah, it's very cool. As well, they've got a Discord which you could actually join if you want to. You can see more information here about Mars overview, and here it will tell you more of the features and so on. As well, you can have a look at what the NFT that you will be gaining, and the NFT, the Martians, as you can see here, this is something that you will be able to benefit and sell. If you find one of these ones which are very, very rare, you could be making millions like people are actually doing. Okay, so another game that I want to share with you is called HeroArena.app, and once that you come to this website, you're gonna be able to see that it's gonna give you the ability to play to earn. You're gonna be able to choose your own different characters, and then as long as you keep up-leveling and you keep improving your skills, you will be able to get more and more NFT, which consequently you could exchange for cards. So this is actually very, very cool as well. You can rent to play. It gives you so many different features. So I advise you to come to a website, check it out, and see if this is something that you could actually benefit from. You can see here the token allocation, the token distribution, along the different roadmap and different steps on how they're gonna be releasing. You can see who are actually partnering with as well, so which is actually very, very good to check, because obviously you're gonna get a more inside information whether if this company will be reliable or no. Here are some of the investors that have actually invested, and here is the roadmap. You can see what are the expectations. So with all these companies, obviously they will promise certain things, but you have to make sure that you keep track on checking that they're actually doing all the things that they're talking about, because otherwise it won't be good for the company. So if they do, and you can check this on social media, you can follow them on Twitter, you can follow them on Discord, and make sure just to make sure that they are active on these social media platforms. Obviously that gives you a good indication that this company is serious about what they do, and they planning to continue growing. And the last company which I'm gonna show you is called Decimate. So as you can see here, you will be able to build an online world in an Unreal Engine. So you're gonna be able to add to join the whitelist, to join the Telegram. You can become a patron, so if you want to invest as well, and you will see that you will be able to as well get different rewards once that you play the game. So obviously you will need to download it, you need to start. This looks very immersion to me as well, like it looks like very alien, because of the graphics and so on. But you can see here more about the gallery and what to expect from this game, and the functionality as well. You can go through different things, and it's gonna tell you as well how well how good is this game really to play. So you can see the graphics are absolutely amazing, and it's incredible how these games are evolving. You can have a look here at the marketplace, and on the marketplace you will be able to get a better view, you know, when it comes to whatever they have available, you know, for the game. And these things, you will be able to buy them, you will be able to exchange them, and so on. So this is actually a great way, you know, for you to as well play and make money with it, you know. So that's all the companies I wanted to share with you guys. Like I'll always bring you the latest games, I will bring you the latest NFT information. So if you like videos like this, I would really appreciate it. You could give me a massive like, as well as subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, so you can be the first ones to know when I release new content, so you can benefit from all this strategy. So with all that said, guys, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with more news on the cryptocurrency world. Take care now, guys.